Happy hump day. Today is such an exciting day. We have massive news coming out of Los Angeles, California. Love all my West Coast babes. And of course, Bitcoin has sustained our support area at approximately $57,000. And more importantly, some of our moon bags are absolutely ripping. Let's go ahead and take a look, babes. This first story is immensely bullish for Bitcoin. Third largest whale bought 99 million worth of Bitcoin below $60,000. This right here tells me that the whales, the people with money, are coming in, they are buying the dip, and they're holding for the long term. Yes, they will be taking profit. Yes, they could take out collateralized loans on their Bitcoin, but at the same time, the amount of money flowing into Bitcoin and the crypto markets is absolutely surreal. Now, I think this is be one of the reasons why we've held above the support line at approximately $57,000. Let's take a look. This is our Bitcoin chart here, and this is the chart that we've been using for a while now because I like to zoom out and I like to look at ranges because a lot of my capital is in altcoins at this time and stable coins as I'm earning that passive income. Now, we have support here at approximately $57,355. Well, $57,524. But anyways, we didn't quite get down that low, but again, you guys, these are just estimations so we can kind of see what's going on. Even though Market Cypher is still looking a little bit bearish on the daily chart, I'm hopeful that we will hold support here at approximately $57,000. Taking a look at the 12-hour chart, she is fighting like crazy, and she's having some issues getting back above $61,000, as we can see a little bit of resistance there, and that's okay with me. Taking a look at Market Cypher at the bottom, the oscillators, we're still dipping. It's not necessarily looking like we're ready for a recovery yet, so I'm expecting some more consolidation in this range between about $57,000 to approximately $61,000. And hopefully we get a break back up. Now, taking a look at the 6-hour chart. 6-hour chart just printed a green dot, and we're starting to get some nice upward curves with some of the EMAs over here. Either way, I am expecting some volatility, some stagnation here, yes, and just as long as we stay above $57,000, I am vibing. Full disclosure, I have taken additional profits on some of my altcoin positions just in case. When I'm taking profits on my altcoin positions, generally going into stable coins, and I'm earning passive income, so I'm getting some income some way. But at the same time, I did want to take a moment to de-risk. This next story makes me so happy for the future of Los Angeles. Oh my goodness. I'm born, bred here, lived here my whole life, been out on the streets, graduated from college here, had my baby here. I'm so excited that Staples Center is going to be renamed to Crypto.com Arena in a massive $700 million deal. Yes, I know a lot of the sports fans are not super happy about this, but again, you guys, sometimes it takes additional time for adoption, and I think that this is going to be a positive thing long term. If we go ahead and we read down the line a little bit, we can find out some additional information. But this is going to be a 20-year naming rights according to the Times. And oh my gosh. I also did hear a potential rumor that they would be accepting a crow, so you can go ahead and buy tickets. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price. And again, big congratulations to Crypto.com on this. Hopefully in LA County, we start to become more crypto friendly because this just makes my heart sing. This is our Crypto.com chart, and we've been holding this for a long time. We've created a moon bag. I actually created a moon bag a while back. If I would have held all those coins, I would have a lot more capital. But at the same time, the name of the game is de-risking. We went ahead and we pretty much stayed on this trend line that we've drawn back down over here from November 1st. And yes, we did have some swing wick lows, but we didn't break below the EMA 21, which was absolutely marvelous. We followed this bullish trajectory pretty well. Taking a look at our indicators, MACD is looking okay. RSI is looking okay, and stochastic RSI is kind of flat, which is totally fine with me. I do think that we could see 75-cent CRO this year, just as long as Bitcoin stays on a bullish trajectory. But this EMA setup is immensely bullish, and this news is absolutely massive. Shout out to everybody that is holding and staking CRO. Another little tidbit about CRO. Crypto.com's EVM-compatible blockchain Cronos gets further support. Crow up 650% year to date. Not only is Crypto.com focusing on mass adoption, but they're also building really, really cool stuff. Now let's take a look at some other crypto gems that we can talk about on the show, especially a long-term moon bag of mine. I'm absolutely over the moon, and I'm so excited to everybody who bought into Gala and invested with me way back, probably almost a year ago, because they were up 72% today. They announced that they were going to be listed on Coinbase Pro. They announced a Binance listing, crypto.com listing, I believe. And if you guys don't know what Gala is, it is the utility token for the Gala Games ecosystem. They have gameplay, they have NFTs, they have nodes, they have so many amazing things. And I'm just so excited that I have a moon bag of this project. Yes, did I go ahead and pull out very early? 100%. But at the same time, I'm here to make money. I'm here to de-risk. And this is the best way, is to create a moon bag. This is the Gala chart, and I generally do not like to buy on green pumps like this because you're going to experience a lot of volatility. The chart is looking a little bit overextended as we're starting to get an overbought, but this is probably because of all the insane news. I've been holding Gala since approximately end of 2020, and I started taking profits on this little run up here back in September of 2021, and back over here of February 2021, we were at about 4 cents. Yes, I sold a lot of it at 4 cents, but at the same time, I'm with it. I'm happy with my decision, because at the end of the day, we don't know exactly where price is going to go. We don't know if a lot of these early projects are going to sustain. Either way, the moon bag I have, I will continue to take profit on that, because you never know. But the way Gala is looking, if we do get a bit of a correction, we would have to look into the lower time frames, maybe at about the 12-hour chart, possibly even lower to the 4-hour chart, to see where we'd get a pullback. And it does look like she is coming back, so we might get a dip to about 16 cents here. Either way, I will be holding on to Gala long term. This next segment is sponsored by Dehub. Dehub is a decentralized metaverse hub, and you all know that metaverse projects are super hot right now. So Dehub is a play, stream, and earn utopia fueled by a pioneering token economy that redistributes the power of entertainment to the hands of the many as they propel into a new digital world. It is also built on Binance Smart Chain because Binance Smart Chain is super affordable. They've been audited by TechRate, Surtech. You can also find more information regarding the tokenomics on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. And if you're interested in investing and you've done your own research, project makes sense to you, you can go ahead and take a look at them on xt.com or PancakeSwap. Some additional facts about Dehub. You can access classic mini games, tournaments, and events in both the real and virtual worlds. Increase as well as range of tokens in their gaming dApp just for holding Dehub tokens. And you can access PPV events, exclusive screenings, and NFT drops from their production as well as those they license. Plus, you also get to vote on productions, funding, cancellations, and renewals of favorite motion pictures. Some other important information to note is that Dehub will soon be bridged to a brand new next generation blockchain explicitly built for the metaverse, EVM compatible with its operating system, OS, and VR engines built directly for the metaverse. The blockchain has already been built by Hawaii devs, with $25 million spent on its development so far and $138 million oversubscribed for their ICO. So a 3D metaverse is already built, and Dehub will be at the center of it. Also to you guys regarding this new chain, and we always talk about focusing on new chains. The new chain has an in-house dedicated launchpad, incubator, accelerator, and Dehub will be the first project to onboard with over 1 billion dedicated to launching projects. As part of the incubation acceleration process, Dehub will be taking on game development and stacked with a team of leading game and blockchain engineers. All right, folks, let's do a quick update on 1inch because I do hold and I like a lot of aspects of their decentralized exchange. So first, let's talk about the Ethereum weekly burn update. So 1inch still takes 9th place in the top 10 of Ethereum burn leaderboard. Ethereum burn over the last 7 days is approximately worth 4.5 million, which is 963.77 in ETH. Ethereum burned in total is 47.6 million, which is approximately 12.4K in Ethereum, which is absolutely amazing. Also, too, I wanted to remind you guys about the significant update to 1inch governance. They tweeted, "We're happy to introduce an extremely significant update to 1inch governance. The second stage of the 1inch DAO Treasury proposal implementation is live, and we're halfway through the ward told full decentralization. which I absolutely love. A lot of decentralized projects out there say that they are decentralized, but in fact, they are not. So again, even though 1inch is a decentralized exchange, it is a distributed network for decentralized protocols on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Arbitrum. They are still not fully decentralized, but they will be very, very soon. And I'm very excited for them and their progress.